Hello students, today we will be starting with module 3 of advertising in semester 3 BMS, which is creativity in advertising. Persuasion ads are the ones which remove desired action from you. So usually while purchasing a product, they want some particular reaction from customers. They will advertise in that way. So kurkura hai, teda hai, par mera hai. So when you go to buy the packet, you will like, oh yeah, this is mine. That impact has to come. Persuasive ads aim to convince potential customers to buy featured products. In advertising, this technique is very powerful. Persuasion can be used in marketing campaign for television, digital, print, audio, billboards, or even PPC. Persuasion skills are extremely important as it helps marketing professionals to change preconceived notions of their potential clients and make them believe in the new ideas. Persuasion still helps a marketing sales professional to actually win over the hearts of the clients, who not only become their loyal customers but also bring in more clients with them. PPC means pay per click, which all of you are well aware that every digital marketer wants to increase their search engine optimization and increase the pay per click. Okay, next we will be talking about appeals in advertisement. How advertisements have various appeals for us. Okay, so 5 important sensory organs are eyes, ears, smell, feel, taste. So these are the 5 things which are targeted through various advertisements. Okay, now if we go to see the appeal, there can be a personal appeal. If you use this product, this is how we will relate. So as we are talking about appeals, I'll give you a lot of examples today with a lot of types of appeals which will be useful for exams. This part is very important, so please note. Appealing to audience emotions can be achieved through strong images, impactful text, and powerful jingles and music, emotional advertisements with feelings and perceptions and with a lot of logic to provoke action. So, see the first appeal, that is personal appeal, where the celebrities are themselves recommending something, and like Amitabh Bachchan is telling to wear masks on phone calls, Akshay is telling to use sanitary pads or for polio drops or for various awareness for farmers, etc. Second is social acceptance. Social acceptance are the products which you buy for getting a social reputation, or where people will like it. Oh wow, you have this. So for example, luxury cars, luxury shoes, or even bringing religious things during festivals, or a lot of religious things, or Asian paints, painting the house to get a status. So that is social appeal. Next is humor appeal. So basically Fevicol, Kurkure, Happy Dent, Mentos, these are comedy ads which appeal to your sense of funniness, and actually these ads are very influential. Next is fear appeal. If you don't do insurance, you will be having a family with problems later on, or you will not be financially strong. Or Seat tires, so that you don't meet with an accident. So it is, if you don't use this cream, you will get a lot of pimples. So this is fear appeal. Next is sexual appeal, X effect, or Imperial Blue, or condom ads, or fog. These are using these kinds of sexual appeals. Next is romantic appeal, where Usha fans or close up, where the song theme is also related to romance between couples, or even for maybe where couples get together in CCD and all, that is about romantic appeal. So next is endorsement appeal, where cricketers or businessmen or celebrities or someone who is a spiritual guru is endorsing a product. So endorsement appeal, where Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni or doctors telling that Sensodyne is good for your teeth. Next is youth appeal, bike and makeup and sky bags, set wet, then Himalaya products that youngsters should use if they don't want pimples. So yes, this appeals to the young generation. Popularity appeal, like Coke and Bikaji and Rajnigandha, where you get popular by using these products. That is the idea. Next is musical appeal, where Taj is using a lot of music, Titan, like la 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 la. Amul, you know, Amul दूध है wonderful, पी सकते हैं रोज glass full. Then Carva adds the new radios that have come, you know, तोहफा, गानों का तोहफा, 5000 गानों का तोहफा. Next is adventurous ads like Woodland, Casio, water resistant water, Casio, thumbs up, you know, so these are आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. Next is empathy, red level, where the neighbor who has corona, but still you go and give them, serve them tea. So we are supposed to be empathetic or having emotions about others. Maggie, where you are helping your mother to cook or not forcing her to cook. ITC donation, if you buy a ITC product, 1 rupee will be donated for Shiksha Foundation. Potential appeals like Apsara pencils, if you use, you will get you know, more credibility for your handwriting. If you use Maruti cars, you will be like the best. Or if you drink Boost Health drink, you will be very intelligent. It will boost your energy. So last is the brand appeal. Of course, the name itself attracts people. That is, Kapil Sharma has become a big brand. There's no other comedy show like that. Tissot watches, Kadini, which you see during movies. So these are the brand appeal. I repeat everything quickly. Okay, one is personal appeal. Amitabh talking about mask, Akshay about pads, polio, etc. Social appeal, social acceptance like luxury cars, agarbatti, Asian paints, etc. Humor appeal, Fevicol, Kurkure, Happy Dent, etc. Fear appeal, insurance, Seat tires, or use this cream. Sexual appeal, X condom, ads, fog ad. Romantic appeal, Imperial Blue, Shafans, close up. Endorsement, Dhoni, Kohli, doctors, cricketers and celebrities, etc. Businessmen, etc. Youth appeal, bikes, makeup products, sky bags, set wet, Himalaya, etc. Popularity appeal, Coke, Bikaji, Rajnigandha, etc. Musical appeal, Taj Va, Titan, Amul, Carva radio. Adventure appeal, Woodland, Casio, water resistant, thumbs up. Empathy, red level, Maggie, ITC donation, etc. Potential appeal, Apsara, Maruti, Boost. Brand, Kapil Sharma, Tissot, Kadini, etc.